From this video, we will learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. From your home, from any experience level, you can do it even if you have never made a single penny online and you are brand new. You have absolutely zero idea how to make money online. You don't have a mailing list, you don't have a website, you don't have social media following. You can make money online. And you can do it from anywhere in the world. And you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency. Sounds good? What we do in order to make money online, so let's go to one of our Warrior Plus accounts. You can see $108,818 in passive affiliate commissions. But what we do is basically get clicks. These are the clicks from our customers. They loved our contents like this video. Our contents were helpful. They loved our content. They loved us. They trusted us and they clicked our links. They purchased what they need from our affiliate links, and that's how we make money. And you can do it too starting today. So the foundation of making money online is to have a clear intention of sincerely helping others for free. Well, for free means you give away free information that is helpful to others and build rapport and relationship with it. But for that, we use our artificial intelligence software Epic, because Epic helps us to make videos without using camera and microphone. And Epic has artificial intelligence built in. So Epic writes the scripts for our videos and make videos using text and images. Epic makes bite-sized videos, as you can see on the right-hand side. We can save our work, go to other work, come back later, add more sections. And when we finish our video, we simply click the render button and the video is ready. And Epic allows us to make videos without microphone and without camera. How is that possible? Because Epic turns any text into natural sounding voiceover. There is a built-in system, and Epic writes the scripts using AI. So we don't have to write, we don't have to add voiceover. And because Epic uses image and text and all this stuff, we don't have to use camera. So any beginner can join our team, use Epic, and make videos. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go grab it, start using Epic and make simple videos, upload it on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and ask your viewers that if they like your content, they can click the links in the description, in the first comment, and in the bios, and they will buy from you. And you will make money just like this. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family and social media contacts so everyone else learns how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and client. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. So where are your customers? So let me show you customers. We are on Upwork.com. Upwork is a freelancer site where people look for freelancers and freelancers look for paying clients. Now let me take a screenshot for easy demonstration. I searched with Write looking for freelancers, and look at this freelancer earned $70,000 writing contents. Another freelancer earned $30,000 writing contents. So I'm gonna take this screenshot and paste it on Epic, put it on the canvas in a new section so I can make a video out of this simple information. So this video will be uploaded in another channel. This is how we manage 20 plus channels and get customers from everywhere. Okay, now let's make money for you. You might be thinking that you hate writing, you hate typing, and you don't know how to write content. That's good. Even I don't know how to write content. So I use AI writing tools. Link in the description, you will get a free writing tool and also my affiliate link of this tool that I'm using. Don't worry, if you use my affiliate link, you will not lose anything. You won't have to pay extra. And you will be supporting our channel by buying through our links. Anyways, all the links are in the description. Epic is free, link is in the description. Now let us write a high quality content using AI. So I'm gonna use the advanced mode and I want to write an article about how to make money online using article writing. That's the topic of my article. And I will select how to. I will ask the AI to generate a title for me. They have given me some options. I will choose this one, super awesome. I can regenerate titles and get more title ideas. For this video, I will not go more. I will simply click generate outline for me. Now the outline is generated, is all automatic. I don't have to do anything. So the outline is generated. Now I can add more outline if I want, or if I'm happy with what we have, I will simply click finish. And look what happens. It's amazing. The AI worked all by itself and wrote 861 words article for me. Now look at what you can do with this length of content. Look at this seller on Fiverr. There are literally 69,745 services available on Fiverr. And this gig charges $25 for 1,000 word SEO optimized, unique, high quality, well-researched article. Now for you, the main content is already written in a matter of split seconds. You can go ahead, click add more and add more sections, add more paragraphs, add more sentences, expand, do whatever you like. You can use all these sections to add more section, make your content even better if you want. Finally, when you are happy, you charge your client $25 for a couple of minutes of your time. Now this Fiverr gig has got 1,234.9 star rating. The average price is $25. The approximate number of sales is 10 times the number of reviews. So we can say, hey Siri, how much is 1,230 times 10 times 25?
1,230 times 10 times 25 is 307,500.
$0.3 million from one Fiverr gig. The work is basically using an AI software with a couple of minutes of your time. And you can deliver the work to your client and get paid. That's so simple, helping others who need help with writing. Now you might be thinking, why would people pay you money for writing if they have the AI software available? The truth is, the people who will pay you for writing, they have a bigger business and a different business, and they don't have time to write. And even their team members don't have time to write, or they don't have team members to write for them. That's why they look for freelancers. Even we use freelancers all the time, although we all have access to multiple AI software. And in fact, we have a mini AI software built in with Epic. So the opportunity is everywhere. All you have to do is have a simple and sincere interest of helping others by spending a couple of minutes of your time. Now you can put all your information, whatever you are learning from the videos, from the AI, from this video, using screenshots and text inside AI and make simple videos. Publish those videos on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Those platforms will send you views, visitors. Those visitors will pay you money. When you make money, go back and teach others how to make money using the system that you are using. Let's say article writing. Make more money selling your course on how to make money online. Then you will become the guru. And that's okay. People need expert gurus like you. But before that, you have to have an interest to help people get access to softwares like Epic, link is in the description, and AI softwares like Texta or any other software. We have a free software as well. Make videos, write contents using AI, help people, record your system, your journey in the form of videos, and get all these visitors just like us, and ask them to buy from you from your links in the description, in the first comment of your videos if they're on YouTube, and link in the bios if they're on TikTok and Instagram. They will buy and you will make money. That's it. Super simple. Start today. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. But it's you who has to decide and start today. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family and social media contacts so everyone else learns how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and client. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.